Hi guys, my name is Mike. I just want to tell you about 2 times I saw 2 UFOs on 2 separate occasions. I always wanted to make this video just in case anyone's seen anything similar and just to kind of get it out there. First time, me and my buddy were driving back on the N2 after a bike rally just outside Plet, and we saw what looked like a big frisbee on fire flying right over our heads in the car, and we were like, whoa, what is that? We're like, oh, it's a UFO. And then I guess we kind of forgot about it. The second time was about 2 years ago. I'd gone for a run and was just resting, lying on the grass on a wine farm in Franschhoek, and right above me was this thing that looked like a drone that was flying higher and higher in this very direct robotic path. And I kept tracking it, and then it just kind of disintegrated when it got really high, and it didn't like blow up, but just the parts kind of looked like they came apart in this wispy like VFX sci-fi thing. And I thought maybe it was a clump of birds, but just the path was so direct and robotic. Very weird. And then I just remember thinking, oh well, I guess it's just a UFO, and I spotted it and now it has to go. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe.